Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself. And today's project, AC quit on you when it's hot outside. And here's the problem. That's the thermostat wire, and that's the animal's doing right there. It's get to the point that over here it got cut in half on one of the wires, and I think the real problem is somewhere over here when it got through insulation and red got on white. So even if you don't have wild animals in your area, like in this case they decided to make a house under the house, so even digging and all of that, and decided to have a breakfast or whatever, or lunch with this piece of wire. So but even your own dog can do it to you. So if you have hot air blowing in your house, so the fan is blowing but the condenser is not turning on, before you call specialist, there is a few things that you could do it yourself. And even if you're not gonna fix it all the way, this is the first thing that professional will start on. And at least what you will do, you will save a whole bunch of money, because this wire in particular, I got a roll from Lowe's, 100 feet, and it cost me only $18. So not that much money. And in this case, the furnace is not sitting too far from the condenser, so instead of putting splices, the plan is to run a new wire. So we'll see how's that gonna go, and then we're gonna go from there. So this is gonna be the first step for any professional, and like I said, pretty much anybody can do it. So first thing I do, I'm gonna remove this back panel to see the connections for this wire, and then go from there. If you don't know what kind of wire you need, obviously the wire outside over here is too damaged to read, but you can look at the furnace where this going to. Like in this case, this is 18 gauge 2 wires, so 18 200 feet, more than I actually need to. So but you know, I will have extra for the next animal attack if I have to. Before you do any work, make sure your thermostat switch is off. So your 2 wires always going to be going over here from the furnace up. So the thicker one, this is going to be for the thermostat in your house, and the skinnier one right here, see, you could, I mean, obviously doesn't matter for you, because every AC might have a different wiring, like a 1 wire, 2 wire, and so on. So right here it's just going down, you remove the panel, and that's where it goes. 2 wires, white and red, so really easy. So when you fish a new wire in here, just do the connectors over here one at a time, so you wouldn't mix up red and white. So run a wire through, leave a little extra over here in case next damage to the wire. Connect with the twisters, tuck it nicely back in there. I'm not gonna cover it just yet before the test. Now I have to connect at the furnace, the wire by the furnace. Next thing you do, just connect the new wire in the spot where the old one was, and we're ready for the test. So that's that. This time that was only the problem, just this wire. Obviously anybody can do it. So if the condenser's spinning, the AC is working. This is the, well, not 99% of the problems, but most of the problem is condenser. So, but look, worst case scenario, didn't work. and you still end up calling the specialist. But the first thing he's gonna do, he's gonna run this same wire, and you can do it yourself, and you can save at least a little bit of money. So that's that with this project. If it was any helpful for you, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Good luck.